Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and connecting this DJI Mini mic to this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I have unboxed before this one. So this one is a white version and this one is black. Then I will connect two DJI mic to this camera. So first, show you the features of this one. So showing here 10 grams, so lightweight, then high quality audio, then 8-hour battery, then direct connection, then 2-level active noise cancelling. Okay, so I unboxed this now. So if you purchase one new one, then there's a tape here. Okay, then open. So basically in the plastic bag, so it comes with the manual here, then open the plastic bag. Okay, so basically the same as this one, okay. So it comes with the like a windscreen or a dead cat. Yeah, so I have two, so grayish and the black, and remove everything. Then the USB Type-C cable for charging. So silica gel to keep it dry. I think that's it. So in a nice pouch. Oh, probably there's another one, the charger. Yeah, this is the charger. Oh no, sorry. This is the microphone, and this is the charger. I can see it clearly. Okay, so it's a magnetic. So when you're charging, just align this one here, then like this, then it should charge. But first I'll try to connect. So hopefully there's still charge here. So I'll try to connect this one with this one. Turn on. And I'll just put this somewhere here. Then try to turn this on. So it's looking for connection probably. Then so in settings, so wireless mic. So I might pair the white one on the TX1. So I'll just pair this here. So press this button to pair. So easy, it is connected. So DJI Mic 2 transmitter 2 connected and used for audio input. Confirm. Yep. Okay, so that's easy. So I'll just turn on the other one and try to connect as well. This one should be auto connected because I have connected it before. Now you can easily see. So we have two mics connected. So okay, now the mics are connected. You can see there are two green indicator here. It's showing the mic level. So just go back to the settings tab. So wireless mic. So we can see both are working. So try this one, the TX2. So you can see it's giving a higher volume. This one, the left one, you can see that reaching up to the peak level. So that's it. Both are connected. So we'll try to record this one. Wait. Try to record. Hello, you are now listening to this microphone recording on TX2. Next. Hello, you are now listening to the recording of TX1. Okay. But another test is the turn off one. So only one is connected. So now you are listening to only TX2. Then turn this on. It's connected. Turn this off. Okay, now you are listening to TX1 only. Okay, that's it. Turn this on again, both. So you can see it's very handy, very easy to connect. Just turn on and auto connect right away. Okay, so that's it. Hey, thank you for watching.